Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can fix Chrome extension error. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the This PC or Windows Explorer on your personal computer. Make sure to get to the disk partition where your Windows is installed. Typically, it's the local disk C, but it could be a different one. Once you are inside it, access the Windows folder and then look for System32. Once you find it, open it up and access the drivers folder inside it. After that, open the etc. folder and there will be a bunch of files present inside it. Simply open the search menu and launch Notepad. After that, click and drag the host file into Notepad. Now, if you see anything other than the text you're seeing here, then you just need to highlight it and delete it. After that, save the file and your error will be solved. So that's basically how you can fix Chrome extension error. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.